Hey, what's good, learning machines? In this video, we're going to be talking about drop shipping items to sell this Halloween, okay? This Halloween. If you're new to the family, consider subscribing because we are the best family on YouTube. Just kidding, Logan Paul is. At least that's what he says. And I share all of my insane secrets and strategies for business, marketing, entrepreneurship, and how to make money online. So if you're interested in all that, you know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Okay, so I went to AliExpress, right? And I typed in Halloween, obviously. But what I did was I clicked right here, orders, okay? Look at this. And guess what is the top selling Halloween item on AliExpress? It's this mask, dudes. So what I'm going to tell you right now is set up a store, or if you already have a store, put this on and start advertising this because it's super hot right now. People are looking for Halloween masks and you still have time, okay? So hop on the trend. This might even be good for next year and the year after that. Just do the same strategy I just did. Type in Halloween next year and all the years after that, and sort by orders and see what's selling for Halloween, man. Go make a store for it. Halloween is a trend, and people who catch trends early are the ones that make a lot of money. So I'm going to show you some stores that are making some money doing this. Just a couple stores, and let's show you right now. Okay, here's one store I found, and they are selling it for 20 bucks. And then here's another store. They're selling it for $25, okay? This is how much they're basically buying it for, okay? It's either right here or right here they're buying it for. And they're making a pretty hefty profit, especially if they add in their upsells and stuff, okay? I found them, if you're wondering, by going on Facebook, and I typed in Stitches mask because I wanted to look for the stores, and then it just showed me all the people running the advertisements that said Stitches or Stitched masks or whatever. And it showed me them, and then I looked at their sites here. Now let's look at something else here. I typed in Halloween costumes in Google, and I have a tool that will tell me how many searches they get a month for any keyword. Okay, Halloween costumes is getting 1,220,000 searches a month, especially the months before Halloween, obviously. Okay, and look at the cost per click, 40 cents a click. If that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what does. Okay, I'm thinking about setting up a Shopify store or even just a sales funnel. Okay, keyword sales funnel right there. I just told you it. I hate saying it since it's such a freaking secret thing. It shouldn't be secret. It just surprises me. Anyways, sales funnels are awesome. I don't see Shopify stores being around very long because sales funnels are so awesome. But anyways, Halloween costumes, 1 million searches a month, alright? Probably even more right before Halloween. Set up your store or funnel and freaking make bank. Do advertising on Google AdWords. Okay, most people don't talk about that. Or do advertising on Facebook. Whatever you want to do, just get the word out there about your store right before Halloween and get the sales, guys. Okay? Now I typed Halloween mask and that's getting 60,000 searches a month. Okay? And look, you see the infamous light up mask right here, Stitches mask. Let's see if there's even more. Yep, just a bunch of Halloween masks right here. Okay, look at this crazy costume. What the heck? I gotta look at this. Sorry, guys. Look at this. ShopDisney.com.